Hi, Dr. Bidlack. So today I want to talk to you about flowers, also known as angiosperms. So angiosperms have a vascular tissue and they produce pollen grains. That means that they don't need water for fertilization, which is pretty cool. So flowers have various parts to them. Let's start with the bottom here. We have the sepals, and the sepals are the outermost part of the flower. Don't know if you can really see them right there, but they're there at the bottom. So from there, flowers have petals. As you can see right here, the petals are the most colorful part of the flower, and they are what attract pollinators like a bee. Sorry, wrong bee. Like a bee. All right? So now we go to the top here, and as you can see that we have the stamens, and they are the male parts of the flower. So the stamens include the filament right here, these stalk-like figures. And they also include the anthers, which are the little parts on top of the filaments. And those hold the pollen grains. So from there, towards the center of the flower, we have the pistil, and that's the female part of the flower. So the pistil includes the stigma, the style, and an ovary, which includes the ovules. So now you've heard the male part, and now you've heard the female part. So how do flowers reproduce? Well, thanks to the pollinators, like a bee. Whenever a bee comes to the flower for its nectar and its pollen, sometimes those pollen grains get stuck to its body. And so as it's flying from flower to flower, the pollen grains that are stuck can fall off and fall into the female parts of the flower. So it'll fall off onto the stigma, which is being held up by the style, and there the process of fertilization can happen. So next time when you're outside and you see these wonderful bees flying from flower to flower, know that they're not causing any harm and they're just trying to help flowers reproduce. All right, thank you.